this is Sparky, Jayanta's AI agent. How may I help you today?
A similar kind of clone of yours, a AI conversational agent.
I'm here on behalf of Jayanta right now. How can I assist you or pass on any message to him? Would you like me to relay your message or schedule a time for you to discuss these projects directly with him?
Like doing work from home entirely, or he's going to office now? Hey, welcome back to our channel, the AI Cross. So today we are covering an interesting topic, interesting use cases. So think like you are in a office, you are doing your project work, you are not in a mood to talk, suddenly your phone rings, but you don't want to answer. So you can ignore that. But what if a AI conversational agent can pick the call, talk with the other person, can engage with a deep conversation with that person. It can understand the intent of the other person, why that person is calling. So I have designed my own conversational AI agent. So rather than wasting any time, let's directly see a demo.
Hello, this is Sparky, Jayanta's AI agent. How may I help you today?
This call will be recorded.
Thank you for letting me know. How can I assist you today?
Hey Sparky, I was looking for Jay. Is he not available to take the call?
I'm here on behalf of Jayanta right now. How can I assist you or pass on any message to him?
Yeah, I was just checking whether, which all AI related project he's currently working on. I just wanted to discuss on few things with him. Do you have any ideas?
Sure. Jayanta is currently focused on a few AI projects, including SafeSkis AI, which is an AI-powered flight booking demo site, and My Event Mitra, a vendor platform for Indian cultural events in the U.S. He is also working on automating content generation for Instagram and YouTube Shorts and building a Streamlit dashboard called iHelp connected to Snowflake. Would you like me to relay your message or schedule a time for you to discuss these projects directly with him?
No, that's okay. So, do you know, is he currently like doing work from home entirely, or he's going to office now?
Jayanta is currently based in Austin, Texas, and typically works remotely. If you need to get in touch with him or schedule a meeting, I can help arrange that for you. Would you like me to check his calendar for availability?
Yeah, can you please check his availability of tomorrow 9 a.m.?
I would need to check Jayanta's calendar to confirm that time. Unfortunately, I don't have access at the moment. Would you like me to take a message for him or help with something else?
Okay, so can you do one thing? Just pass on one information on behalf of me.
Certainly. Please go ahead and tell me the information you'd like me to pass on.
Just ask him his friend Suresh was calling, and just let him know to call me.
Got it. Just to confirm, you want me to ask Jayanta to call you back since his friend Suresh had called? Could you please provide your name and the best number for Jayanta to reach you?
Yeah, so my name is Suresh, and my number is 737-600-9191.
Thank you, Suresh. I will let Jayanta know that you called and asked him to return your call at 737-600-9191. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, do you know what is the website Joyant is building now for this AI cross? Do you have that information, or I can talk with Joyant for that?
Yes, I do have that information. Jayanta is building a website for his brand, The AI Crush, which is www.theiCrush.com. If you want more detailed or specific information, I can relay your questions to Jayanta or connect you with him. Would you like me to do that?
No, do you have information like what kind of content he is building for that website?
Yes, Jayanta focuses on podcast-style shorts, AI tool explainers, and cinematic AI concepts for the AI Crush website and related content. He uses tools like CapCut, Google Veo, Runway, ElevenLabs for voice, and Photoshop to create engaging AI-focused media. Would you like me to share more details or help with something else?
No, that's okay. Do you know the last question? I just want to wish him on his birthday. So, do you know when is his birthday? Joyant's birthday?
Yes, Jayanta's birthday is on May 31st. If you want, I can remind him to look out for your birthday wishes or pass on your message directly. Would you like me to do that?
No, that's okay. Thank you. And can you just tell me your name once again?
Sure, I am Sparky, the AI personal agent representing Jayanta. How else may I assist you today?
Yeah, that's okay. Thanks. Thanks for confirming, and yeah, just pass on those information to Jayant. And thanks. It was nice talking with you, Sparky.
Thank you for calling. I've passed on your messages to Jayanta. Have a great day.
This is still in progress. I can feed a lot of information to that AI agent to do a lot of like task, and even a lot of information I can give the calendar access. It can book a meeting itself, so it can check all of my calendar availability also. So yeah, this is a demo I just created recently, and I am still working on this. So now coming to how I have built this. So this is simple. I have used two of the major tools. One is your ElevenLab. ElevenLab is providing, you can create a conversational AI agent. That's simple. If you'll see, this is the ElevenLab your UI. So here, if you can see, one is conversational AI agent. Now if you'll see, this is my overall screen. So if you'll see, if I can go ahead with all of my calls, I can see here all these calls has been basically generated, and these are some amount which I have to pay because these are using some AI tools and all. So all of information are there. And now how to build, if you want to build a new one, you can go here, agents, new agents you can build. Let's say, what is that? Either a blank agent we can start from scratch, or personal assistant, or business agent you can go personal assistant. Then what is that personal assistant? You can match task management, anything you can do. I'm clicking on personal. You can give a name like Sparky, let's say V2. Main goal here you can write like, I need these to represent myself when I am not available. Create agent. Now once this has been created, it's the time you can fill the details. I'll just go through what you can do, like what language it can use. There is a lot of language you can select from that. Then fast message, whenever it will receive the call, what is the fast message it will say? Like for me, it is saying, okay, I am Sparky, John's agent, how can I help you? You can put that. Now there is a lot of information you can put here, like personality. You can put like this, you are at this, which environment you are telling, in what tone it can talk, what is its goal, like it can just talk and it can get the information whether the person will call in the next and all. You can put all these tones and all. Then goals, then guardians, all of those you can put. So all of these information you have to put. Only, I think it is already providing a template. You can just use your name here. Now coming to some dynamic variable like username, sharing permission, what all you want to share here, and which model you want to use here. Like you already know, like whether Gemini or your OpenAI or GPT are basically your OpenAI models, which models you want to use. Now here is temperature, like it should be more creative or creative. More creative means it can do a lot of analysis from the other person's information. Then it can ask other question also. Now here there is an interesting space, agent knowledge base. So here what you can do, if you'll see, I have added my different information here. You can just put in a text document about yourself if you want the agent to basically talk on behalf of you. If you are creating a marketing agent kind of thing, you can put all of your product details, product price, and everything, so that it can, let's say one person is calling, it is asking, okay, what is the price of this product? It can go through this document and answer that also. Okay. Now tools, what all tools you can use, like detect language, it can detect the language and talk in different language also. Okay. Now this is the last place where you can connect this to a, so this is one part. You have created this conversational agent. So if you'll see, agent means I already have one agent. This is basically I am keeping as a JKR its name, but yeah, if you will see the message is, this is Sparky joins AI agent. So this is my AI agent. Now once you have created this AI agent, one other thing you have to do is, this is one, I have used this, you can use different also. So Twilio is one of the website where I have bought one number. This is number 888-352-6452. This is the additional like toll free number kind of thing. Once you have bought this number, like there is a free number also, but that has some restriction. You have to press one button to proceed with this call. But this is basically your free, paid number. I have just given $10 for 1 month to demonstrate this. Now once you will get this, if you will go to this number, there is some config. So if you will go below here, webhook, here if you will see, this is one webhook I am using here, like message. Okay, if you will go to properties and all those properties you have to set, configuration you have to here, if you will go, okay, webhook configuration, this is API ElevenLabs. So this API is being generated from ElevenLabs. So you have to get that API from ElevenLabs website, then just put it here. So what it will do, whenever someone is calling to this number 888-352-64552, it will directly go to that Sparky's agent. So now what I am doing, when I am using my mobile, I have call forwarded to this number, that when I am busy, just ring to that other number 888. So if I am calling, if someone is calling on my number, that will be diverted to that, subject to condition I have used the call forward, then Sparky will receive that call. So now just to demonstrate you, I have directly dialed this number, but you can just set up and redirect this number to that, basically call forward that number. So it's interesting, right? I felt very interesting when I try to do these things and finally you get a success. So coming to the use cases, where can be it used basically, like it is, there is I think already a lot of people are using this, because nowadays if you will call somewhere, there is a voice assistant are coming now. So you can use, if you have a small business and you are getting a lot of calls like inquiry and all, you can set up one call to that number, so that AI agent at least can answer all of those questions, like what is the product details, how they can order, if they are calling to basically give a complaint or something of a product, all those can be handled by this AI agent, and you will get a entirely a log basically. If I'll show you here call logs, incoming logs, if I'll go view call logs, I think it will show. Okay, yeah, so this is one call. If I'll show here, so it will have inside summary. Okay, so yeah, so basically how many times it has been drawn and all those information will be there. And one more thing, I think here also, I guess somewhere conversation, yeah. So if you'll see here, yeah, so this is, if you'll see, it is recording a call recording also. Okay,
okay, so can you do one thing, just pass on one information on behalf of...
So it is recording also, it is giving a summary also. Suresh called Joan's AI agent Sparky to relay a message for Joan to call him back on this number. Suresh also inquired about Joan's website, the AI Cross, its content, then Joan's birthday. Suresh thanked Sparky and ended the call. So it is giving an entirely summary. So now you don't have to go through and entirely listen the call recording, because it was a like 4 minutes or 3 minutes call, but it is giving a insight. So that's kind of information. And yeah, so it is giving a transcript also, like entire transcript which we have called with Sparky. So this is how it can be useful. And yeah, coming to trying this tool, if you have time, if you have interest, then build in those and try and test. And if you are owning a business and really require it in a real life scenario, that also you can do. And yeah, it is quite helpful. So yeah, that's all for today's video. So I think I have built this from long time back, but I was not able to create this content. So if you like this video, if you like this content, then surely like, share and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, I will come up with a like different video. And till then, bye bye. Thank you.